Hi, I'm Cymye, and today I will show to you guys Space Master DP20. This is a bilateral laser distance meter, and it will make your life much easier if you want to measure everything. It can calculate distance, space, and volume. I will show all the details for you guys, but don't forget, it's in campaign right now, and if you are interested in this product, the link will be in the description. Let's go!
And this is our Space Master DP20 Bilateral Laser Distance Meter. The box is really nice and I really like the design that they create. You can just take this out and you see more information on the side. For example, it's made by aviation aluminum. They also have data sync with the app, USB charging. And this is very good because we don't need to carry many batteries around. You can just recharge the battery directly with your cable. Then an extra large display. On the other side, laser marking. I will show all these functions for you guys, but let's keep it on. Then it's taking out two-way measure and one-way measure. Inside the box, they have this very nice case, and it's hard to protect the laser meter. They also included one hand strap, one USB Type-C cable, and a very detailed menu. You have the continuous measurement option, line and segmentation measuring, area measurement, volume measurement, auto level, auto high, memory, extra large display. You can connect with the app very easily. You can also use this in two-way, one-way, and here have more details, but I will show all for you guys. And here is the machine. It's really nice. The quality is really there. When you touch it, you already can feel the material is really good. Here on the top, you can open this and you can find the Type-C port and one laser. On the back, you can install one tripod to make your life easier. On the downside, you can install your hand strap. On the sides, both laser. And in the front part, you can find a lot of buttons. This button you can turn on and also confirm. Then you can clear the data or turn it off. This one you can use to change the units, for example, from meters to feet, then inches. And this one, I'm really sorry, but I forget how to say this measurement. You have the memory button, then the mode one. When you press the mode, you can choose to measure with two lasers, space, volume, the auto level, and then the auto high. You can also change the screen. For example, you can put it bigger or with more information but smaller. If you want to divide one surface, you can also use these functions. For example, you can press here, then you can see we can divide it in 1/4, 1/5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, and then we come back again for half, 1/30, and so on. The arrows you can use when you enter in the mode, but there is another function. For example, if you are in the bilateral laser, you can press this one, then you can see it change for only one side. If you want to change the size, maybe you don't want the left side, you want the right side, you just press it again. You come back for bilateral laser, then press this one, and now you can see you can use the right side. If you also want to use the top laser, you can just press this one, hold, and now you can see we have 3 lasers.
There are some situations it's really impossible for you to measure, for example, like this wall with a meter, unless you have one stairs. But with this tool, it will be very easy for you. Let me show for you guys. We can just change the mode. For example, we choose this one, we press OK, and now we start. First, we choose the point we want to start to measure, and then we press OK. Then we point to the end, and it will calculate automatically for you. It was very easy to calculate the height. You can use auto height for many functions. For example, maybe you want to paste one sticker here and you want to know the size. You can just click in the first point, second point. They already give me the high size for my sticker, It will also save a lot of trouble for you if you want to measure the length. For example, if you use 1 meter, you really need to do it many times. You need somebody to help you hold the meter for you, or you need to use some tape. It's really inconvenient. But with this one, it's very easy. Let me show. Here in the mode, you can just use this one. Then you select, and we come here in some point. You will see there is one laser in that point and one laser in the other side. Then we just press OK, and it instantly gives you the size. There is also another function called auto level. Then it's very easy. You just select this mode, then you click. You can see it will blink the distance you need to measure. So for example, let's put this on the floor. And let's say I want to measure until there. We press the confirm button. And now it already gives you the horizontal length and also the angle. You can also use one tripod to make everything more stable. For example, we can just install this part and then easily attach to our tripod. You guys saw I measured the distance between two walls using both lasers, but there is some situations like this one. I have one start point, but I don't have one ending point. So we can use only one. It's very easy to set. To switch from both lasers to two lasers is very simple. If you want to use one laser, you just press this arrow and hold. And now you can see we have only one laser and the other side we don't have. If you want to change for both lasers, you just press it again. So for example, I want to measure from that sign until here, but you can see there is some leaves there. It's very hard for me to enter. So we just use this one, and you can see the start point and the end point. We just press OK, and you can see the results. Every time you want to select the continuous measuring, you just hold here. And now you can see, if we move, it will continue measure for you guys. When you finish, you just press OK, and it will give you the minimum and the maximum size. And the good thing is DP20 can use it in 3 ways. For example, you can press this one, and now you can see I'm using the dual laser. There is one laser there, one laser here, right? But if you also want to use the 31, you can just press on the top, and here you can see there is a mark. This one will help you a lot to measure things and also to hang things, make some marks. But to make some marks, I will also show another function for you guys, because we can separate, we can divide it in equal parts, and it will be much easier. Let's say I want to divide this wall in 4 parts. So we can just choose 4. Then you can press confirm. You can see it's indicated that we still need to move to the side. When you arrive in the correct position, you can see it will indicate that it's correct, so we can make one mark. This device also can measure the space. For example, I'm in the office and we are still organizing here. Let's pretend I want to measure this space to buy a new carpet. So you can just choose this mode with the S, then you select, and here you just follow what they ask. For example, let's stay here. They already give me this result. Then we point to this side. And here is the result. I didn't find any big container, so let's test the volume here. Just let's pretend I want to start to measure from this line and then from the top, okay? So we just select this mode with the V, then we confirm, and we just follow the steps. So from here, 1, then here, 2, then here. And now we can know the volume from this area. And every time you measure something, if you want to know the results, you can just click in the arrow and you can see it will show the previous measurement. And what do you think, guys? DP20 is really easy to use, very small, light, and portable. If you want to know more information about it, don't forget the link will be in the description. And if you like my channel, don't forget to leave the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.